At the age of. For example, I learned to drive at the age of 21. At the beginning of. For example, I joined a gym at the beginning of the year. At the bottom of. For example, there's a shop at the bottom of this hill. At all costs. For example, I need to pass this exam at all costs. At one's desk. For example, my manager spoke to me at my desk. At the door. For example, there's somebody at the door. At the end. For example, I'm going to Madrid at the end of month. At fault. For example, who was at fault for the accident? At first. For example, at first, I was happy here but now I'm not. At first sight. For example, we met at university and it was love at first sight. At a glance. For example, I knew at a glance that something was wrong. At a guess. For example, at a guess, 50 people were at the party. At hand. For example, I always have a pen at hand in case I need to take notes. At per hour. For example, he was fined £150 for driving at 200 kilometers per hour. At last. For example, at last, our bus has arrived. Thank goodness. At the latest. For example, Cinderella had to be home by 12 at the latest. At least. For example, it's cold but at least it's not raining. At length. For example, my dad could talk at length about Indian history. At midday/midnight. For example, I went home at midnight as I was tired. At the moment. For example, I am living in India at the moment. At night. For example, I can't study during the day. I prefer to study at night. At once. For example, everybody started talking at once. At present. For example, at present, I'm working for a multinational. At random. For example, numbers are selected at random in a lottery. At any rate. For example, at any rate, I'm confident I'll find a job soon. At the same time. For example, I had fun and improved my English at the same time. At school. For example, things were very different when I was at school. At short notice. For example, she cancelled the meeting at short notice. At the table. For example, the whole family sat at the table for dinner. At times. For example, at times, I feel like giving up.
Please like, share and subscribe for more videos.